Welcome to this totally custom remodeled cabin that sits at the dead end of a street abutting Sugar Pine Park's Olympic cross-country trails on Lake Tahoe's west shore. Enter a small foyer and walk into this charming living room with beautiful gas fireplace, custom mantel, and adjoining cabinet. Flow into the well-appointed kitchen and dining area. Note the beautiful wood floors and pine walls and ceilings throughout. Down the hall is one full bath and a spacious laundry room with sink and ample storage. This spacious main floor bedroom has a walk-in closet and built-in custom drawers. The stairs lead to the primary suite that has an attached bath with separate shower and soaking tub. Snow is covering the approximate 1,100 square foot deck and patio, plus a custom storage building. Defensible space has cleared numerous trees for safety and sunlight. Built on a double lot, it has an additional lot between the house and the park. It also includes access to the Tahoe City's beach, pier, and buoys.